Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. Today we are doing crispy crunchy potatoes. I told you about in my last video. This potatoes is so good. It's really crunchy and crispy outside and really fluffy in the middle. I tell you, you are going to love it. Just look at that. It's so delicious. So come along with me and let's do this. If you are new here, you are welcome. If you're an old subscriber coming back, thank you so much for coming back. Let's do this. Right guys, so to start I have my Mary's Piper potatoes. That's the type of potatoes I use because it makes it really nice, but you can use any type of potatoes that you want. Okay, I've cut it nicely, put some salt in it and added some hot water to it for it to boil for just about 5 minutes, okay, or until you can see that the outside bit is really getting softer. As you can see, I'm trying to show you what I did. Yeah, that's all that is. I've drained it and I'm going to fry it. You can fry it, or you can put it in your air fryer, or you can put it in the oven, whichever you prefer. It will still be crunchy and crispy. Okay, I'm frying mine, and as you can see, I am flavoring my oil, yes, with rosemary and some onions. I love doing this because it makes your potatoes really flavorful. It smells so good, I tell you. Now let's add our potatoes and let's get frying. Guys, come along with me. Yes, so look at the potatoes. Yes, it's almost there. Okay, yeah, I want it to be golden brown and then I'll take it out. As you can see, I'm taking the onions from it. Don't throw it away. I use it to make my tomato sauce. It makes it really taste amazing. Blend it with your tomatoes and you are going to thank me later. All right, so as you can see, yeah, it's all done and I'm taking it out. That's it. This is it. Yeah, it's very easy recipe, but the potatoes is so crispy and so crunchy and the middle bit is fluffy. Try this, you love it. So if you like this recipe, give me a thumbs up and please subscribe to my channel. Do put on your post notifications so that when I put up a new video, you will be notified. Thanks so much for watching. May God richly bless you. Bye. Don't forget to share. Bye.